this is one tap. These are two taps. What actually happens when we do this 1,000 times more? Today we're going to be exploring that because we're going to be trying finger painting for the first time. Excited about this, super excited, and yeah, let's get into it.
Always is an essential element in the creative, is the mysterious, the dark, it's like the black in lacquer, the impenetrable, and yet the profound depth out of which glorious things come, but nobody can see why.
I can't write to a beat. I wish I was better at playing guitar. Wish all my words came out as poetry, and I could spend all of my time making art, singing new songs, playing tennis, reading fiction, painting pictures of how.
So I decided to use the reference picture of the goat. Well, not that goat, but you know, the goat. Yeah, there it is. Okay, so I decided to use the picture of Lionel Messi, and then yeah, it was just tappity tap along. I was just tapping. Okay, I'm pretty sure I tapped more than 1,000 times. And mind you, this canvas is like really huge, and it's like it's an A1 sized canvas. Like on a regular basis, I actually work on like an A3 or A4 sometimes paper, or maybe even A2, but you know, A1 is actually really big, and I'm proud of where this is going, you know, trust the process, and let's see how this goes.
But still you try to hold space when I don't act right.
Okay, so mainly I just decided to like use oil paints because oil paints actually stick better on paper. Ladies and gentlemen, let's keep tapping. Let's keep tapping. Just tap, tappity tap. I decided to use a plastic, and it's actually better because the plastic kind of leaves this realistic effect, if that makes sense, when you just tap. Ladies and gentlemen, it's done. I'm so excited about this, and enjoy the reveal.
Listerine, Mr. Clean, big loud blow down gasoline, she from the west side, must confess I been peeping how you walking, you the best sight. For that talking, I'ma let you do the rest. When I'm walking, shorty better be on dressed out. Way out in Hollywood, I know that Hollywood. Pop a pilly just to feel it, yeah, she probably would. She catching feelings for me since I got.
Thanks for watching. I appreciate it so much. Subscribe. See you guys in the next video, whenever it's gonna come out. Peace out.